你也看下我来过来。好，
我先讲，伊先讲。
你先讲，
我先讲。
你先讲。
安尼会使吼？
会使。
各位乡亲好，今仔日是旧金山和约的58周年。咱台湾人过去65年，拢总毋捌纪念着即个对台湾真重要、上重要的即个和约。到今仔日，无管是民进党的情况好，国民党的情况好，拢是完全在咧效应，这是讲起来无应该的。执政者必须效应，人民是国家的主人翁，应该咱爱爬起来讲话，就是咱经过即个非常合约，咱应该有的权利就爱来讲。你若对家己的权利毋知影有啥物权利，你就无会通讲。所以照欧阳的意思，食饱讲，腹肚枵也讲，对恁某也讲，对恁囝也讲，继续讲，安尼吼，咱才有一个将来。啊，若是讲大家拢掂，台湾人拢金嘴，吼，啊若金嘴就无效。所以，尤其是湾区的乡亲，我今日借即个机会吼，呼吁我足紧后个月吼，要开一个叫做摇山俱乐部。咱的摇山山落来，别人要去捡无要紧，欢迎别人起来捡。但是咱若无摇山台湾即个国家永远是袂成立。我简单做一个点火的工作，以后我来开始呼吁大家来参与，希望大家会当参与。若台湾若无来参与，咱台湾无将来。多谢各位。
Okay, I think since Joshua mentioned, a lot of issues relating to San Francisco Peace Treaty and the Universal USA, and also the fundamental rights that the native-born Formosan Taiwanese should have under the U.S. Constitution. I'd like to qualify a little bit further regarding the true legal status of Taiwan. Actually, like I mentioned, in 1951, the Soviet representative at the UN Nation already mentioned that the USA occupied Formosa. And then in San Francisco Peace Treaty, it is clearly spelled out that U.S. is the conqueror and principal occupying power over the Japanese territories and her overseas island territories. So in the sense of the San Francisco Peace Treaty, the Formosa and Pescadores actually came under the jurisdiction of the United States military government. However, the de facto control, which is the administration of the civil affairs of this military occupation, was delegated to the Chinese Republic of China. And in that sense, United States is a principal occupying power, and the Republic of China is a subordinate occupying power. So there are many ways of describing Taiwan's legal status after its cession from Japan. Now, here in 2010, Taiwan is still an occupied territory of the United States of America. So, Taiwan may be considered as foreign territory under the dominion of the United States. As such, Taiwan is an independent customs territory under USMG and an insular area of the United States under military government. So significantly, Taiwan does not yet have its own civil government. So it's still, in a broad sense, this is a type of quasi-trusteeship under the jurisdiction of the United States military government. So Taiwan actually is a term of geography, and the Republic of China on Taiwan is a non-sovereign nation. So we do have the native-born Formosan Taiwanese do have all due rights to look for the United States of America for help for establishing a native-born Formosan people's civil government, and we do have every right to remind the U.S. executive branch that they should decodify their pre-existing policies, which has not changed since Truman's time, and it is time that the United States USMG expel the Republic of China out of Formosa, and with all their help, that we are hoping for Taiwan civil government. And this is truly under the specification of the San Francisco Peace Treaty, which is in Article 6 of U.S. Constitution, is the supreme law of the land. Thank you.
Okay, then if no further question, we just went out for today's press conference, and thank you. We talk to you next time. Thank you. Oh.